In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to install the new Bubble Taskbar in just a few simple steps. Now, first things first, download the Windhawk application. Simply head to your Google Chrome and type in windhawk.net. On the Windhawk website preview, click on Download. It will start downloading. Once done, head to your downloads and click on the Windhawk setup. Just install and head to your desktop to launch the application. Now on the Windhawk homepage, click on Explore to access the search bar right here. Search for Windows Taskbar Styler. Click O Details. You will want to click on Install. Select Accept Risk and Install. Now once done, simply head to Settings. On the option of Theme, to enable the bubble format, simply click and select Bubble. Once done, click on Save Settings. The Bubble Taskbar will get enabled successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to change your taskbar to something fluent. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.